Hi there! In this video, I want to talk to you about error handling and exception handling in UiPath Studio, and I will specifically talk about the retry scope activity. For that, I will jump into my UiPath Studio and we'll take from there. Here in my UiPath Studio, I will create a sequence to extract some text, and I will first get text. And then I have to indicate on my screen. In this example, I will use this website, fake name generator. They will extract the name. First off, let me rename this get text name. And then I will send this to a variable. It's going to be as name. And then I will write it down in a message. Let me test. And the message works. But what if the browser is closed? Let me run again. I can see that execution failed, and this is the error message. Now, what if I want to test and then retry this activity? I can then use the retry scope. And then this activity requires an action and a condition. The action will be my get text, and I will also include another message here, just to see how many times we're going to pass through this. And then the condition for this activity, I can test if the element exists. Now, which element I have to indicate on my screen? For that, I will open the browser again. I will click on indicate on screen, and this is the element. I also can specify the number of tries and the time between each retry. I will put 5 seconds. Now let's give it a try. And I can see that it worked. I was here, the message, and then got the name and wrote it down. But let's try again. And at this time, I'm going to close and I'm going to rerun. Let's see what's going to happen on the output. First message. Now it is trying to get the text, but it won't happen. So tried once, failed. It is trying again, third time, and then failed. After 3 attempts, the number of retries that we put here, it failed because it couldn't get the text from the web browser. So now let's test this activity, and then I will make it break the first time and then open the web browser again to see it working after I reload the page. I will first close the browser. I will also change this to 5 times, so then it gives me more time to change. I will run. And as soon as I see the first message, I will open the browser. Now, I will reload the page, and the process should take from here. And as expected, the process has worked and the name was written here. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.